I am here in my Tesla and I am going to check out this thing here. This is really cool. This is a hub docking station. And so if you've got the Tesla, I've got the Model Y. And so if you look in the little cubby hole here, you can see I've got a couple of things plugged in. I've got my cord for my phone, and I've got a little USB, what's it called? A little drive, a little flash drive thing for the Sentry mode. But so this here hub station should let me plug in more things and be more convenient, because otherwise when I have things in there, you'll see when it's closed, I mean now it'll close because I don't have my wire in there, but I just unplugged it. But when it's normally in there, it's just got a wire sticking out. It looks kind of stupid, huh? So let's check it out and see if this thing works. So let's open it up here. This is the Topfit hub docking station. And as we open it here, you see it's got the little foam packed pretty well. Got the instructions, which should be pretty self-explanatory. Just put it in there. And then this is it. It looks actually really nice. Packed really well. Reminds me of like Apple packing or something like that, with all these nice packing, a lot of extra packing stuff. So this is what it looks like here. So it's got the little hub, and then this is where it plugs into the car. So let's give this thing a try and plug it in here. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. I should have cleaned my there. So now it's plugged into that, and then it goes right there. Boy, that looks really nice. Now let me take off the sticker. Hopefully you guys can see what's going on here, because I'm not really looking at the camera. And then I'll plug in my phone to that. And there, ooh, that's nice. And now it looks like it was just built in part of the car. Super awesome. Look at that. Let me plug it into my phone here. And now I've got, oops, I gotta turn it sideways. I forgot. Plug it in here. Make sure it's still charging. And there it goes. It starts to charge. So it's working. So it seems pretty good to me. I guess you guys couldn't see it. I charged, but it vibrated in my hand. But so that's it. It's the Topfit, and it looks like it comes with a two USB-Cs and two USBs. So, which is nice, because the original only had the USB-Cs. The only USB port I could find in this car was in the glove box, which is really weird. So there we go. So now I'm set. It looks so much nicer, and that's it. This is the Topfit hub docking station. I'm going to put a link to this in my description, so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. I think it was at Amazon, so it's pretty easy to get, so you'll get it real quick. If not, whatever, I'll just put the link to wherever I got it from. But I don't know if it has a model number or anything like that, but it worked on my Model Y, and I guess it would work on a Model 3 as well. So that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and links in the description. So I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks. Bye.